Today I will introduce you with a software that is Social Scraper. You can scrape data from most popular social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn by using this software. You can extract both email address and WhatsApp number with this software. Let's see how to use this software. Before installing this software, I want to tell you that this software is for computer only and this software will work only Windows operating system. After downloading this software, you will get a folder like this. Just open this folder and here you will find readme. Here there is a password. You need this password, so copy this, then click setup. Then click I accept, then paste the password, click next and again next, create a desktop shortcut, install. Close this, then click finish. You may get a warning like this, just click OK. This is the software. Let's open this software. Here it will ask for credential. I am entering my own credential. Here's the software actually. So first of all, you have to select your extraction method. You want to extract email or extract WhatsApp. I want to extract email, and here you have to put keyword. Keyword may be the designation or title of your niche. My title is modeling. Location is Dallas. Network LinkedIn. Country should be United States. Then click Start. It will open your Chrome browser. For using this software, you have to install Google Chrome in your computer, and when use this software, do not use Google Chrome for any other purpose. Okay, let's see. This software has already got the lead that was available in this page. Okay. Now click this second page and it will get this data also. You have to wait around 20 seconds. In this way, you can get all the data every pages you have. You have to browse the pages and the data will be captured here. After capturing this data, when you finish, then click stop. Okay. Now you can export this data. Just click here. The data has been exported. Now I will show you how can you extract WhatsApp number. So click here, extract WhatsApp, and messaging manager, location, country should be India. Then click start. It will open the browser again and it will get the WhatsApp number. It will work also in the same way that I have shown sometime before. In this way, you can extract as much data as you want. Now I am clicking stop. For getting the credential of this software, just contact with the email address described in the video. Thank you.